How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see other viewers on your Facebook story. So let's get started. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, let's say this is my story right here. Now what I want to do is go to the menu section, go to the settings. You can go there by tapping on the gear icon on the top right, or scrolling down and going to settings and privacy and tapping on settings. After you've done that, scroll down till you find audience and visibility. Under there you will find stories. Tap on stories. Now here you will see who can see your stories. Now under there you are allowed to change your settings. Now here there are a lot of settings such as allow others to share your public stories on their own and so much more. The one we want is who can see your stories. Tap on it and go to custom. After you go there, you can select people who can view your stories, and from here you will see other viewers of your Facebook story too. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and